So I had a haircut in preparation for this trip and I had my roots dyed again. So I feel reborn and fresh, which is good. I have not been on vacation, like out of the country, since... Oh, my hair's really dry by the way, so I have this hair oil that I'm like pumping into it every few hours. We toyed with the idea of going somewhere in Europe when you could travel again, but I don't know, I feel like because we got the house and like moved in here and stuff, it just hasn't been on the top of our priorities. One thing I am happy to say is that this video is in partnership with Farfetch. If you followed me or subscribed for years or followed me on Instagram for a while, you know that I love Farfetch. It is one of my favorite luxury online retailers. I feel like it's a great place to find kind of hard to find pieces, so like items that are out of stock or items that stores don't particularly carry. They always have the thing that you're looking for, and I've actually found a couple of pieces that I was looking for that was out of stock in most places. Like I could not find these pieces anywhere in my size. So yeah, I picked up 2 items which I'll show you in a second, but they also give me a discount code to offer to you guys. So if you're watching this video, you were thinking of getting something for Christmas or you wanted to get something for yourself, I have a 10% discount code which is JOEL10YT, so Joel10YT. You can use this at checkout for 10% off your order. There are terms and conditions in the description box below which you can check. I'll leave them down there for you. You know I'm a procrastinator. I leave everything till the last minute, until I kind of have to do it, which is what's happening with packing right now as we fly in less than 24 hours and I've only just got out my suitcase. Thankfully these pieces arrived in time. I'm actually a member of the Farfetch like Access Club, which is great because it has loads of like rewards depending on how much you spend throughout the year, and they last for quite a long time as well. So like I had the free shipping reward on my Access account for Farfetch, so I got free shipping for this order, which was amazing and great for people like me that leave things till the last minute. So the first piece that I picked up is this Balenciaga logo print tee. I've seen it online. I wear a lot of my Balenciaga like oversized t-shirts all the time. They're so comfy, they're so practical, and you don't really need to think, you just like throw it on and you instantly look chic and put together, if you know what I mean. So I got this in a size 3 and I'm 184 centimeters tall. You can check the size guide on the link down below. But this tee is $4.95. It has Balenciaga embroidered on the left-hand side of the chest, and it has it on the back as well. I love the font that they've used for this too, and the actual material of the t-shirt is kind of more like distressed and like creased and a bit like acid washy. And then the next piece is something I've been craving for so long. I was so undecided about it for a while as well because it has the Hulk on it, but I actually have just grown to love it. I'm pretty sure this is from the spring 21 collection. I think it sold out kind of like instantly everywhere because I've not seen this particular style for a long time. And then lo and behold, Farfetch had it, so I was very, very happy about that. This one's a bit more expensive, it's $6.95, and it's basically like an oversized Hulk tee, but it has dress shirt sleeves attached to the inside. So it's like a long sleeve t-shirt, but it's made up of like 2 components. So you have like the dress shirt sleeves that are stitched into the regular t-shirt sleeves underneath, which I absolutely love. And I know that we're going to like a theme park in LA that has lots of Marvel stuff, so I thought this would be cute to wear there. So if you're interested in either piece, I've linked them in the description box below, but also don't forget you have the discount code, so if you did want to purchase something completely different, not anything of these, but anything from Farfetch, just hit the link down below to head to the website and shop to your heart's content. My lips are so chapped at the moment. It's very cold and windy here in London, so I'm super excited to run away to some sunshine for a little bit. I feel like I'm actually pretty methodical at packing. Like people are like, oh, I have to pack. I don't hate doing it because I have like an easy process. I basically throw everything that I think that I will wear into the suitcase. and then go through it all properly and be like, oh, I can wear this with that or this with this, and eliminate things that way and take kind of just what I need. It's kind of easier to pack for Los Angeles as well because it's infinitely hotter than it is at Christmas here. So I think I'll be wearing like t-shirts, maybe a light jacket in the evening. But you know, there's no puffer jackets, there's no sweatshirts, there's no layering, so that's fine. So it's kind of like a brainless activity. But I actually also need to remember to pack like swim shorts and gym clothes and stuff like that. Gym sneakers actually, because shoes is a difficult thing for me because I want to take so many pairs of shoes, but obviously they're the like heaviest thing in the case. But I usually take one kind of more smart shoe, one sneaker, and then I don't think I'm going to take a boot to LA because I don't think I'll wear boots. Oh, I just got some new Rick Owens sneakers, so I think I'll take those as well. Because, yeah, I don't know what happened. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that I had a kind of like 2015 relapse moment and went in for some Rick Dark Shadow, which I used to wear Geobaskets like all the time. Back in like, not even 2015, that'll be like 2014. 2014, yeah. That's when I was doing the whole Goth Ninja, Alexander Wang, Rick Owens vibe. I'm slowly falling back into it, like what is going on? But I'm not mad about it, honestly. And then yeah, once the clothing is all figured out, it's just the basics, the toiletries, the things you need to get yourself ready, which I feel like you can't pack until you're about to leave anyway because you need them to get ready before you actually go. And then there's the electronics, but I'll probably take my Nintendo Switch to play Pokemon on the plane. I don't really use my iPad that much anymore. I will probably just take my phone and download stuff onto Netflix on my phone. And of course I'll have my laptop because even though it's a vacation, I never really take any time off, and that's one thing that in the new year I need to like start thinking about. I swear the past week, probably because I'm going away, but the past week has been it has been the busiest week this year, and I think I had about 3 breakdowns midweek. Everything's just been super stressful, but that's why this trip is so important. And yeah, I just want to like enjoy it and let myself enjoy it. I think that's going to be the most difficult thing.